Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how do I kick someone off my PSN account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you want to kick someone off from your PlayStation Network account, that is sign out your PSN account from other console devices, what you can do is just simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in PlayStation.com, or simply on the search bar you can type in Sony Interactive Entertainment account management page. Then once the page loads, what you need to do is tap on sign in on the top right corner of your screen and log into your account. Then once logged into your account, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Then once inside, you'll find an option that says account settings, and inside account settings, what you need to do is select device management. Inside device management, you'll find an option that says PlayStation controls, and next step is to deactivate all devices or similar option. This will sign out your PSN account from all consoles and devices currently connected, and as an extra layer of security, you can also change your password by simply heading over to the account section and selecting the password option, and simply changing your password by typing the new password and saving it, and that ensures nobody can sign back in without your new credentials. Anyone who was signed in using your PSN on other console or device will be logged out. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.